In this video, we will demonstrate the film deposition procedure using a mold. Cut a piece of substrate to dimensions compatible with the mold, ensuring that the mold fits properly on the substrate. Position both the mold and the substrate on the deposition table, ensuring that the substrate covers the vacuum holes in the selected area. Turn on the vacuum system to secure the mold and the substrate, preventing movement during deposition. Adjust the blade height. In this case, the 0 point is obtained when the blade first contacts the edges of the mold. Since the material will be spread over the mold, the blade must be flush with its edges. Dispense the film-forming solution into the mold. Press the Start button to perform the film deposition. Once the deposition is complete, turn off the vacuum system, remove the applicator, and, if necessary, clean the deposition table.